huge mail time for you guys today. We got 1, 2, 3. I think there's actually 2 shoes in this box, so 4 shoes. It's gonna be great, man. There's a lot of steals and deals that we got in there, and overall should just be a really fun unboxing. So I hope you guys stick around. All of that will be coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a mail time segment for you guys, sneaker unboxings, and actually this really cool thing right here, man. This box is from our sponsor for today, and our sponsor today is Movement Watches, MVMT. You guys know that I'm all about saving and getting the steals and deals and getting the best prices on quality products, and I am stoked that Movement Watches follows that exact same vision, guys. So let me open this up and actually show you what I got from them. Oof. That's nice. It's a personalized box. Welcome to movementmvmt.com. Even nicer packaging on the inside. So you guys can see right here, this is the Movement watch. Let me put it under the camera so you guys can see. Astro blue version. Very sleek and stylish, man. For the price, guys, it is insane value. Movement Watches was founded on the belief that style should not have to break the bank. They're not $1,000 watch, and they're not trying to be, which I really appreciate. So these watches all start off at $95, which is super affordable. And on top of that, we have a deal for you guys today. Now, if you guys go to the link in the description below, you click on that link, you will get 15% off your order and free shipping. So a great deal, getting even better. I love that so much. Thank you so much to Movement Watches for hooking up the Untied Ohana, man. That is mvmt.cc/Untied Hawaii. Very sleek and stylish watches. Hope you guys cop this Astro blue one because I think that is fire. mvmt.cc/Untied Hawaii. Check it out or go to the link in the description below. And now we can check out what we got in terms of sneakers for today. This first one is gonna be from GOAT, I believe. Yes, and so I was very excited for this one, guys. This is one of the few shoes that I got like super hyped over, and it's not a Jordan 1, surprisingly. I know that's like the main thing I collect, but I was very excited on this particular sneaker because this is a Kobe model, and I actually have a very good love for Kobe's. I just haven't seen like any updated versions that I really wanted until today. So this is a 10.5, and this in person it's even better, man. Wow, that is a great shoe. So this is the Kobe 4 Protro Undefeated collab. You guys can check it out over here. It has like that pearlescent look or whatever you want to call it over here, where you guys can see like that rainbow going over the shoe, and it's just a nice Kobe model overall. You guys can check out that Undefeated branding at the top of the tongue, and yeah, man, this shoe just works really well. In terms of a basketball sneaker, this is a great style, great look, man. So really excited for this. This is a personal piece for myself. We actually copped the Undefeated collab pack, which had all 4 of like the player packs. However, this one was released separately and I missed on Sneakers app, unfortunately, so had to cop it at resale. I think they're going for like $200, which is a great steal. Definitely a piece you guys should cop if you guys are lovers of basketball or lovers of Kobe. So that will be going into the sneaker collection. I got one more actually going in the sneaker collection over here too. And what were we just saying about Jordan 1 boxes, man? So this one is a pair of Jordan 1 Obsidians. I know I'm a little bit late to the game, but had to cop this one at resale because, again, I missed on Sneakers app. Hint, hint, Sneakers, please, if you're watching this video, I need help on the app, please. I can't catch anything, but that's okay because I did cop this at resale. I'm sure you guys have seen this shoe a lot by now, but this is the Jordan 1 Obsidian. I didn't realize it was actually this nice, dude. This is solid leather for Jordan 1. The tumble is really great over here, not so much up here, but that's okay. The uniqueness of the shoe I think is really good, and these are ones that will spike in price eventually down the line. That is a nice cop right here, also going into the collection as a personal. And so the last box has 2 shoes in it, and this is an interesting thing that I want to talk about. After I show you guys the shoes, we'll get into it because it is a question that I see a lot in the videos, and I'm gonna answer based off of what I picked up over here. So let's open it up. First shoe is right here, and if you guys don't know what box this is a Jordan 1 Union box. So this is a very dope sneaker. If for some reason you guys have not seen this before, check this thing out over here, man. Jordan 1 Storm Blue. There was an original Storm Blue model that had like the same kind of like blue look on it, but it was running over the entire shoe. Union LA actually decided to make their own version, so they made it look like a kind of like older vintage sneaker kind of look. And I actually copped a second pair over here too, so you guys can see shoe number 2, same thing, Jordan 1 Storm Blue Union, man. So good cop right there. And so like I was saying, the question that I get a lot about these shoes is it worth copping shoes at resale to sell at resale? And so the simple answer to that question is yes. You guys can buy shoes at resale to sell at resale, man. It's a very tricky game, and I'm thinking about making like an entire art of the flip episode for it, because it's not something that you can just kind of like get up and do, you know? Like, it gets very tricky because certain prices may drop and you guys end up losing money, or it may rise, but it might take a very long time for it to hit the prices that you actually want to sell at. So it's tough, you know, it's tough. But I believe that the answer is that you can. So I actually caught both of these from Soul Steals, and I copped them both for, I think, a combined $2,300, so $2,300, and that comes out to $1,150 each. Now that isn't very good. If you look at, like, if you sold it on Goat or something and you guys take out the fees and stuff, I would probably make about $100 or something like that. So it's not super great yet. My vision for this is that Jordan 1s always go up in value, right? And we've seen huge spikes to the Jordan 1 market recently, and I know that these were a very limited run. So I'm actually betting on the fact that these things will rise in value, and that is why you guys can buy stuff at resale to sell at resale. It's making an investment, hoping that you get a bigger return down the line. So that's why I always advocate you guys don't need to worry about copying on release day. Obviously that's the best thing for you guys, but if you guys invest at pieces at the right time, even at resale, you can sell it for more money down the line. You just got to be careful, man, because not every shoe works like that. The Jordan 1s and the Yeezys are the main ones that I've seen that you can buy at resale, and usually you can flip it for more money down the line if you are patient and willing to hold. Now that is key, patience, man. But that's what I'm gonna have for this. So these will be sitting on ice. Maybe there will be a chance that they will be on the channel memberships, so keep an eye out on that. Channel memberships, man, there's a join button down below. Anyway, that is it for this video, guys. Very nice pickups in here today. A lot of great diversity, and also very dope piece from Movement watches, man. Check that out, link in the description below. Again, that's mvmt.cc/untiehawaii, dude. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Mail Time, and I hope you guys learned something about sneaker resale and like how my process is for buying and selling sneakers. We got a lot of great stuff coming up in future videos, so if you guys are not subscribed yet, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button as well. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoots!